Whether you like it or not, videos are everywhere these days. Internet speeds continue to rise, and people are increasingly drawn to videos because they are just so easy to digest. Not to mention easy to share, which is great when you're trying to make some money online. So, what happens if you're great at running your business or taking care of marketing, but your video skills are seriously lacking? Forget about signing up for an expensive and time-consuming course. There's a software for that. Content Samurai will make you look like a pro even if you struggle to send holiday photos to your friends with your smartphone.
Is there a free traffic generation alternative, you ask? Yes, video marketing is the answer. But you have to do right. You need an easy-to-use video creator tool. And this is here Content Samurai comes in. In this Content Samurai review, I'll be explaining what this tool is and how you can use it to leverage your video marketing endeavors sky high. Number 1. What is Content Samurai? Content Samurai is an online video creator software that helps you create fast, easy and professional-looking videos within minutes. It takes all of the features of other video makers and combines them into one awesome online tool that every internet marketer or small business owner needs. Yeah, you don't need to download or install anything on your computer. With a fun, intuitive, simple and easy-to-use interface and a step-by-step approach, you can take your existing blog posts or pre-written scripts into professional-looking videos within minutes with just a few mouse clicks without absolutely zero editing. Number 2. Who is Content Samurai really for? If you have any type of business or presence online, Content Samurai can help you in a multitude of ways. Let's say that you don't, but you have an offline brick-and-mortar business, then Content Samurai can help you get clients that you wouldn't have gotten otherwise. To keep it simple, Content Samurai is for internet marketers, marketers who want to build a list, small business owners, SEO folk, YouTube marketers and anyone who wants
Whether your goals relate to e-commerce, products, training, services, exposure or brand recognition, Content Samurai is for you. You can share whatever you want with the world in literally a matter of seconds if you're desperate to get something out there, or you could spend a few more minutes and give it some extra touches. The software comes from Noble Samurai. They offer a free trial and, as you might expect, there's plenty of help. They walk you through every step of the video creation process. And it's so easy that even your grandparents could do it. If you know how to copy and paste, you've got all the skills you need. All you have to do is choose a template, paste in your text or write some on the fly, click on a button and let the software source the images, format the text and animate the scenes for you. It's actually pretty neat how it works. It can analyze your script and suggest images that match what you're talking about. With a library of more than 112 million high-quality images, you won't have to worry about your video looking like dozens of others in your niche. You can change the photos it selects and choose something else from their royalty-free library if you feel like they didn't get it quite right. You also have the option of uploading images if you want to use your own pictures or logos. Not only do you never have to step foot in front of a camera, but you don't have to go behind one either. Now, if you want to include a voice track, like I did in this video so I can explain everything to you, you just drag and drop the audio file into the software and it can sync it all together for you, which is a huge time saver. You can upload a .wav or MP3 or even record a voice track from right inside the software. This is purely optional, of course, not every video is going to need a voiceover. You can also choose from their library of pre-recorded music. Then your video is ready to go. Of course, once you see what they've come up with in preview mode, you can still play around with it and tweak it until it's exactly how you want it. For example, you might choose to change the timing of the slides or add some embellishments to the on-screen text like bolding or italics. It's up to you. Even though you don't have to put much time or thought into it, you certainly can if you want to. If you're really short on time, you'll probably find that the video it makes for you automatically is perfectly usable as is, but customizing it is pretty easy, too, if you want more control over the finished product. One thing I want to mention is that the templates they offer are a lot more specific and detailed than a generic PowerPoint template. For example, they've got an impressive offering that you can view across categories such as sales videos, videos for online courses, videos from a blog post or article, property listing videos, and videos from social media. They really couldn't make it any easier for you to get started with whatever you're trying to do here. The blog post one is especially useful. If you've already got a website posted, as it can quickly turn your existing posts into videos and give you a whole new audience and a much more passive way for people to get your message. You could then put backlinks to your site from YouTube below the video for more traffic. and potentially more profits. What makes Content Samurai really accessible is that they offer a free 7-day trial that includes everything a paying member gets. You don't need a credit card, you can create as many videos as you want. There won't be any watermarks. And you can keep the videos you make. It's pretty generous as far as free trials go if you ask me. The process is so easy and intuitive that you probably won't need help. But if you do, there's some simple training right within the system, as well as a pretty thorough help center and a community where you can search past questions and get help from other users. Once you see how magical it is, you'll probably want to sign up. You need a lot of videos on an ongoing basis, or you simply want to get some videos posted online without making a huge investment. Content Samurai is just what you need.